Okay, Frank. It's 1 a.m. I think we've done enough work for tonight. Everything is going to be perfect for the gala tomorrow.
Uh, Meg, I'm so fat.
What?
Uh, I'm fat.
Frank, you're not fat.
I'm so fat. So uncomfortable. Uh,
No, you're not fat. Get out of here.
Intolerably fat. Uh, I feel like I can't walk. I cannot walk another step.
You're not fat. You're just tall in every direction.
Ah,
Maybe you should start wearing some elastic waisted pants. Give yourself some relief.
ha, 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 elastic waistband. Ha, ha. Ah, ah. Oh, that's not a bad idea. I'm not going to the gala tomorrow.
You are the gala tomorrow.
Uh, oh, oh my God. Beautiful. Ha! Wow. Whose whose installation is that?
That is lightning, Frank.
Oh, beautiful. Wow. Huh? Mm. Excited to see it tomorrow. Great. I'll see you tomorrow. I am so fat.